Hello everyone, today I will be showing you guys how to do a simple eyeshadow look perfect for beginners featuring the NYX Lid Lingerie eyeshadows. Here are the colors. So let's get started. First I will be taking my Too Faced Eyeshadow Insurance and applying that to my lids. And just pat that in. It is always nice to have an eyeshadow primer, that way your eyeshadow stays on for longer and the pigments are more vibrant. Next, I always like to take a light shade and apply it all over my lid. And if you do want to cover your eye veins, as you see I do have veins showing, you can use a concealer. I just don't like using concealer because I feel like it's a little heavy for my oily eyelids. So next, with the same brush, I will be taking this color right here in the bottom middle. Make sure you dust this one off. That prevents fallout, and if the color is really pigmented, you won't have so much excess on the brush. And just apply that into the crease. As you see, it does give a slight wash of color. And you always use back and forth motions. Always start off with light to dark. I feel like that will keep your eyeshadows from looking too muddy or from going really dark and not being able to fix it at the end. Next, with the same brush, we will be taking this darker color right here, tapping that off as well. You can see all the dust flying off. Tilting your head back a little bit and applying that into the crease, more concentrated. Right now we're going to be doing circular motions and focusing that right onto the crease. Now you can start doing windshield wiper motions to diffuse that out. And what I like to do, rub it on my hand to take off any excess product, go back into that lightest shade that we used, and just go right above, just to blend that out. Now, just to give a wash of color, I will be taking this brush into the same color that we used and dusting that off and applying that all over the lid. Taking a little more. Now with a smaller angled brush, you could go into a deeper color. Right into the crease in the outer corner. And if you need more, add more. Circular motions in the crease. could go back with your initial brush. Now you can apply some mascara. And this gives beautiful definition to your eye without having to apply eyeliner. Now I just need to do the same on the other eye. Once you have both eyes done, all you have to do is clean off the bottom on both sides. Then finish the rest of your makeup. Once the rest of your makeup is applied, all you have to do is finish up your lower lash line. So for that, I would be using this brush as well as this one. And first I will be taking the bigger brush with the lighter shade, which I'm going to be using the middle shade, and apply that all over the lower lash line. And I just like to smudge it everywhere. Pick up some more for the other side. And now with the smaller brush, take some of the second darkest shade that we used, apply some on both sides, and we're just going to be lining that closer to the lower lash line. Now all that's left to do is apply mascara to the lower lash line. And there is the finished eye look. It was pretty simple and easy to do. All matte look. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching.